So I bought a keyboard. For a while, ever since like the middle of quarantine, I wanted to learn how to play piano. And I was just a little bit iffy about it. Like, it wasn't like a serious thing. But then recently, since like I became even more bored, I was like, I want to play piano. Like, I want to learn. I'm not sure what this is. What's with this? Hold on. Okay. Oh, this is a thing. Oh, this is a seat. This is a seat. Okay. Put this over here. And this, I'm guessing, is the keyboard. Oh. Oh my gosh, stuff is like moving. Here are the headphones. Okay. Okay. Now I'm like afraid, because why is stuff moving in here? This is kind of smaller than I thought it would be. I mean, I guess. Here. There's the keyboard. This is so funny to me. Here's the piano. RJ50161. Or maybe that's just like this particular model. Here's the keyboard. Now I have to try and put together the chair. So I'm gonna trust that thing. I'm gonna open up the window so I can get more light. I'm so excited because I've been wanting to play for so long. And I did play a little bit in elementary school. I would take like lessons in school, but I didn't really like it because we were always playing boring stuff, you know. Seems pretty cushioned. Seems pretty self-explanatory. Just going through here. There you go. All right, seat is done. I'm gonna put the seat right there. And then I'm guessing these are the legs for the keyboard. I thought it was gonna come later in the week, but it came today. I don't know what this does. Oh, instructions. I love y'all. Instructions. I'm dumb. Okay, we got the top part, so let's do the bottom. And this video is literally 5 minutes and 30 seconds long, so that was fairly easy to do. This is uneven. This is taller. What the heck? Why is this taller? This is still not at the same height. This isn't at the same height. This is 2 different heights. And I know I'm not tripping. But I have this. I'm hoping this is a charger so I don't have to find batteries. Here are the stickers for all the keys, and I'm gonna put them on there. And then here are the headphones. I'm gonna open these. If these are this small, this is not gonna fit over my big head. Oh, I guess they will. They do fit. Okay, so I found out what I did wrong. I was using it sideways, and I was wondering why it wasn't tall, because I was like, this thing isn't tall at all. And then they were like off, and I was like, what could I was like, I know they didn't just like miscalculate the length of these things. I was like, what could I have done wrong? And I was looking at it, and I was like, this thing is sideways. So I had to switch these two bars. Let's play some tunes. So I put all the stickers on there and stuff, and I am literally the first thing I wanted to learn how to play. There were so many things I wanted to learn how to play. Okay, hold on. This is really hard though. I'm currently trying to get a hold of The Man in the Mirror, like the intro to it. I'm gonna play it for you because I'm a pianist now. See, I keep messing up. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I really love this. I will put the link to this in the description box if you're interested. It was only like $100-something. If you have any video requests, link them down below. I mean, comment them down below. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.